This video tutorial I will cover how to inject a primitive value using dependency injection by constructor. We can inject dependency by constructor. Constructor argument is the sub-element of bean. Using that, we can do constructor injection. We can inject primitive value, string-based value, dependent object, collection values, etc. Here I have defined the class employee. It has two properties, ID and name, and it has three constructors. First constructor accept ID, second constructor accept name, third constructor accept ID and name. And it has display employee details method. This is the Spring configuration file. Here we have mentioned employee object should be created by Spring container and ID value of employee object should be set as 36. Here we are using constructor argument and we have specified type as int. The constructor which accept int value is this constructor. So this constructor will be called and value of ID will be set as 36. What object to instantiate, what object to configure and how to configure. This information will be there in Spring configuration file. Here we have mentioned employee object should be created by Spring container and using constructor dependency injection, ID value of employee object should be set as 36. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and creates the employee object and configure the employee object and manage the full life cycle of employee object. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, I am getting employee object from Spring container and displaying employee details. Here you can see the output. Here you can see this constructor has been called and ID value is set as 36.